Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn numbers. The data types we have seen previous lecture is string, and now you are going to learning about numbers. It's nothing but integer data types. So let's see. Very quickly, I'm taking like num1 as my variable, num1 or num2, whatever it you may take it. Okay. So the number is not require any single or double quote surrounded. So very simply I'm taking as an 32 is my number. So let's see this num1 if I given here. So this data type if I given here directly, save it, and this is already. If you don't know, like let go with the previous lecture, you check it. I have written all the things. Save it, reload. Wow, 32 we are able to getting. So the number without having any decimal point and percentage of dots, you will get very clearly this information in output perfectly. So here you are observing. Now let's see. If a number is assigned like let num2 equal to around 20.50, this is called decimal. This is called decimals. The decimals which is assigned here, and this one is number. All right. Also, most of the programming languages will call it as integer data type. Integer data type. So how simple it is. So let's see why these are the important. Why these are very much important in like learning data types in the numbers. So let's see. I would say like num1 num2 if I applied, like we may call it as like arithmetic operators once we are applying. Let's see num1 where is the plus symbol? Yes, num2 if I've written in this way. All right, num1 and num2, let's save and reload. 52.50. So that arithmetic operator is applying directly. There is nothing we require. So arithmetic operator we just write down here and we'll get a solution over there in the browser. Save the code and reload the page. You are getting. So awesomely we are getting. See, if we are not segregated number as an integer without surrounding text or double quotes, let's see what happens. I may put it is like a 20, 22. Let's check what happens. And I'm using like I have converted these data types into strings. All right, and I'm making arithmetic operator. What happened? Let's see. Save it and reload. Can anyone will expect the answer? It may be 44 or something else. I'm sorry, 42 or something else. Let's check. Reload the page. 2022. Wow, what happening here? The beauty of programming will identify. If we are not identify, compiler like a JavaScript compiler will knows that what happening here. So let's see. If I am removing, why it is coming means if we are putting strings surround the numbers, it will be treated as string variable, string data item, which is assigned to this particular variable. So very clearly understood, wherever we are applying with the arithmetic operators, we need to follow to make sure to put as a number without surrounding either number or decimal point values. We need to put something like a 20.50. Yeah, 2.50. Let's save it. Now it is making arithmetic operation is functional successfully. So numbers are written with or without decimal point whenever you need to write without double quote or single quotes. Okay, now the same here you may apply like a subtraction. Yes, you may put minus, save, reload. 17. If you want division, yes, division you can put 8 only. If you want like multiplication, put the symbol as multiplication, save it, run it. 50. How easy these are the things. Division also like a divided by percentile. Yes, you may put the percentage symbol 0. Something more is required, no, to get in a percentage. Yeah, the same way what you need to do, save it and reload the page. Wherever you want to do like some functionality in the coding and output, you need to save the code file first. Then you need to run the output. You will get a clear, accurate output. So I hope you enjoyed a lot with this lecture. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.